Hello everyone, welcome to Augmentech. In this session, we will be learning about Python PIP. By the end of this session, you should be able to understand what is a PIP, that is PIP, what is a package, check if PIP is installed, install PIP, download a package, using a package, remove a package, and list packages. I'm excited to get started and I hope the same from you. Let's get started with what is a PIP. So PIP or PIP here is a package manager for Python packages or modules. PIP is nothing but Python installation packages. Now let's see what is a package. So package contains all the files you need for a module or all the functions you need for a module. Modules are Python code libraries you can include in your project. Now how do you check if PIP is installed? So you have to navigate your command line to the location of Python scripts directory and then type the following. So either you could do this inside your Python's directory or inside your username as well. So if Python is installed, pip would automatically get installed with Python. If not, you have to separately install pip. Pip comes with the installation of Python itself. So when you say pip hyphen hyphen version, that should automatically return the version of pip. Now, how do you install pip? So if for some reason pip is not installed with your Python, or if you do not have pip installed, you can download and install from this page, that is https pypi.org. Go to project and go to pip and install pip from there. And let's see how to download a package now. So downloading a package is very easy. You have to just open your command line and you have to tell pip to download the package you want to uh, download. You can navigate your command line to the location of Python script directory and type the following. You can directly do this inside your username as well. So here if I wanted to install camel case module or package, here I can say pip install camel case. You can do with anything. Let's say if you have to install numpy, you can say pip install numpy. If you have to install um, MySQL client, you can say pip install MySQL client. Now once you download a package, now how do you use a package that has been downloaded? Now once the package is installed, it is ready to use, we can import the camel case package into the project using import and followed by name of the package. Then how do we remove a package? So you can use the uninstall command to remove a package. Again, with the help of pip, you can say pip uninstall and the name of package that you want to uninstall. And uninstalling would give you something like this. This would remove, it will show you the entire path from where it is going to remove the package, and it will ask you for yes or no. Here when you say why, it will automatically remove the package camel case. Now how do you list the packages? So here we have to use the list command to list all the packages installed on your system. You just say pip list, it will give you all the list of the packages along with the versions. Now let's hop to a terminal, that is command prompt, to check if pip is installed or no. Now here I'm on my terminal or command prompt. You can see here I want to check the version of pip. So the command is pip hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. If pip is available, it should give me this version of the pip that is coming from this particular path. It's pip here is installed along with Python, so that's why it says pip is inside this Python side packages. I do have Python 3.11 and the pip version is 23.1.2. If it is not there, you have to go to that particular link and you have to download and install the latest version of pip from there. Now once you have pip, you can install any package you want. For example, here I say pip install. Let's I want to install the same camel case. hit enter. Now if this is already installed, it should say me requirement is satisfied. If not, if I'm doing for the very first time, it says collecting camel case, and you see it says successfully installed camel case point 2. Now let's see how to use this camel case package that we have installed. So for this, I'll hop to the PyCharm. Now here I'm on my PyCharm, so I'm gonna create a new directory. Let's name this as Python PIP, and let's create a file. Let's name this as pip file, hit enter, and here I'll be first writing the command to check for the version of pip. So here I say check if pip is installed, and this is to be done on your command prompt, or you can also check here in the terminal of your PyCharm. So this is the terminal of your PyCharm. Here you can check for the version of pip. Let's see. What if I say pip hyphen version, hit enter. There we go. You see it returns the pip version, that is pip 23.2.1. The same output I was getting there, right? So instead you can use this terminal of your PyCharm, or you can do it from the command prompt. So this is done using pip hyphen version. All right. Now how do you download a package? Or how do you install it? So you can just say pip followed by install and the name of the package. Let's say we were doing pip install camel case. All right, so here if I go and do the same, pip install camel case, hit enter. You see, camel case has been successfully installed. All right, so now let's go and use this. Let's see how to use this package. Using the package. Now once you have installed, you can simply go and import that. So here I say import camel case. This is not giving me an error. If I try writing this without installation, this would give me an error. So right now, because it is already installed, it is not giving me an error on camel case. And then C equals name of the module or package camel case dot camel case. So if you see, this camel case is name of the function or method available in camel case module or package. And then let's say text is something like, for example, if I say something like welcome to Augmentech, I've written everything in all small case letters. Now if I go and say something like print c dot hump, and to this I'm going to pass my text. C is the variable from where I'm getting this camel case dot camel case, and text is my actual text. So what will happen now is if I go and run, this should capitalize the first letter of every new word. Let's try doing this. If it capitalizes W, T, and A, let's run and check. So now I'm gonna go here to run, go to run and click pip file. There we go. You see the output is welcome to Augmentech, where W is caps, T is in caps, and A is again in caps. So this is what camel case does. Every new word should start with capital letter in a string. Now if you have to find more packages, you can just simply go to the site https://pypi/ so this should be pypi.org and find more such packages. Now let's go and see how to remove the package. So we will try removing the same package, that is camel case. So the command would be pip uninstall pip uninstall. The name of the package is camel case. So I'll be doing here as well as my command prompt. Okay, so I'll go to my terminal. All right, so here I say pip uninstall camel case and run. So they should ask me for yes or no because it is trying to remove something. So it's telling would remove. Okay. So you see it's trying to remove camel case from the side packages. If I say why, it would proceed and it now says successfully uninstall camel case. All right. So now if you go and check, this should actually give me an error on camel case because right now camel case is not available. It has been uninstalled. The same thing you can do on your command prompt as well. Okay, so we'll be hopping to command prompt in a while. So when you write this command to uninstall the pip, package manager would ask you to uh, proceed with yes or no. If you say yes, it would remove or uninstall. If you say n here or no, it would keep our camel case. It will not be uninstalled. And lastly, we can also list all the packages available by writing the command pip list. So first here I'll check by doing pip list and see what packages it will show me. So right now if you see it doesn't show me the camel case because it is not there. It has been removed. So you see I have so many other packages that I have installed on my PyCharm. Alright, the same I'll try doing on my terminal or command prompt. So now in the terminal or command prompt, first I will do pip list because I want to see if this shows me camel case or no. There we go. You see it shows me camel case because here I didn't uninstall it from my main C drive, right? So you see it says camel case, MySQL connector, Python, NumPy. I also have this pip new upgraded version, protobuf and setup tools. Now if I try uninstalling pip, okay, if I say pip uninstall camel case, I'm uninstalling the package here. So this should remove package. Okay, now I say, what happens if I say M? So it would keep it. It will just do nothing. But again, if I say uninstall camel case and Y, it would remove. And now if I say pip list, it should not show me camel case because it has been now removed. There we go. You see, it's not showing me the camel case package here. Now this is how you work with pip. Pip automatically comes with the installation of Python. And if you do not have pip separately, you just have to go to the website and download and install pip, the latest version. And if for some reason your import statements are not working then on your PyCharm, then you have to probably go to the Anaconda distribution and make use of either Jupyter Notebook or Spider. Now that was all about pip, that is Python installation packages manager. And that's all for this session. Hope you enjoyed this session. We'll see you in the next.